Ever since I had my first ACGAM electric standing desk, I just can't live without it. I dance on it, I sleep on it, I have fun on it. Recently, Gearbest introduced another type of ACGAM standing desk to their range, the ACGAM ET225E. What a long and weird name. It has 3-stage telescoping legs and a dual motor. Compared to its predecessor or other brands' single motor, this one must have better performance, right? You know, because it has 2 motors. Don't they say the more, the merrier? No, it's a big no. The truth is that the answer isn't that simple, because there are lots of variables that are in play, and just like the saying goes, it's more about quality than quantity. That's also true with motors used in standing desks. But here, I'm telling you why the ACGAM ET225E outperforms others, and you should really consider buying one if you are interested. But before that, please show some support for us by hitting the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Your support is the real motivation for me to put continuous effort in my videos. Now, first things first, let's talk about the assembly. Compared to the single motors assembly, I personally feel that dual motors installation is a bit easier and requires less work, because you don't have to pay special attention to the hex rod, or if the installation direction is not right. Anyway, all in all, you can assemble your desk within 20 minutes. It's pretty straightforward. Once you assembled, you will notice a big difference between the single motor and the dual motor desk. As dual motor systems are generally smaller, and since they drive the individual motor, they're able to better hide the motors. This will provide a more finished look than the exposed single motor design, and create a more seamless look and improve the appearance of the motorless desk. While most would think that 2 motors should be stronger than a single motor, this isn't always true. To get a better understanding how the single motor fares against the dual motor, it is important to look at a couple of specs first. These specs are the load capacity and adjustment speed. Compared to the original ACGAM standing desk, the speed boosted up to 3.5 cm per second, which is 40% faster, and it has a staggering load capacity of 125 kilograms. Now I don't need to worry myself getting fat. Not only that, it has a good consistency. Whether we tested the desk in a minimal load or max capacity, it has great speed consistency. That means the motor's performance is efficient and awesome. Just as the ACGAM factory told us that the motors they are using on this model are from Logitech. It's a reputable company that produces high-quality electrical motors. No wonder! For the highlights, because it has 3-stage legs, so it has a wider adjustable height from 64.5 centimeters to 130 centimeters. An easy-to-operate control panel. It even has a sedentary reminder. And of course, a smooth and low noise level working status. It has pretty much everything you need for a standard electric standing desk. So, what do you think about the ACGAM ET225E standing desk? Let me know in the comment section. If you are interested in one of these, make sure to check out the link in the description. I've also put a special discount there only for this video's viewers like you. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.